Coocaa 55 inches, Frameless Series 4K Ultra HD Smart IPS Google LED TV. Google TV from Coocaa. Entertainment you love with a little help from Google. Browse content from across your apps, intelligently organized just for you. TV personalized for you. This is a TV that goes beyond TV and make your living room a theater. See what is happening outside, enjoy your vacation photos, video call on big screen all at one place. Google TV comes with Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, ZEE5, Sony Live, YouTube to name few of popular apps in India. Brings every detail to you. Coocaa Google TV has built-in Coocaa's latest Chameleon Extreme 2.0 image engine, which can intelligently analyze and process images to precisely restore image details. Restore True Color. Equipped with the image quality improvement technology of HDR10 and HLG, Coocaa Y72 provides you with a fresher blooming vision. The excellent acoustics, Dolby Audio and DTS indulge you in multidimensional surround sound, just like roaming in the ocean of sound with pleasure. Personalization at its best. Y72 is the first Google TV of Coocaa. You can fully enjoy your favorite movies, music, games, applications and so on. Google TV helps you discover what you'd like to watch next based on what you have watched. A place to store warm memories. You can review memories among your devices through Google Photos and make it easier to find the photos you need. Share your photos and memories with your family anytime on TV in your leisure time. Get closer through Google Duo. With only several steps, a high-quality and face-to-face video chat with your friends and family through Google Duo can be achieved. A lot. Being connected with Google Ecology, more than 1000 smart home products can be controlled. Enjoy more easy convenience and comfortable life. Antibacterial remote control. Approved with SGS, we use unique antibacterial material for the remote control. The antibacterial rate reaches as high as 99%. A TV world made just for kids. Help you guide your kids to roam in an age-appropriate content space and help autofilter kid-friendly apps, movies and shows. Limit their time of watching TV and set bedtime easily. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.